Hey everybody, we are excited now. This is week 3, right? Mm-hmm. All right.
Yeah.
I say hey everybody every time I start these videos, I notice. Anyway, week 3, this time we are working on musicality. So week 1, what did these girls do? First, they chose their song and they learned it in mint slicing. Second week, they put it together with the duet part. Today, we're going to work on making it sound really pretty. Are you guys ready? Mm-hmm. So show me what you've got so far, and then I'll give you some tips.
Okay.
You guys want to start right there? Okay, you can start right there again.
It doesn't open every video. Okay.
You're going to start with bum ba da dum
Wait.
dum.
Might be good if I start in the right. Okay.
Ba da dum. Yay, you guys did it. Good job. Okay, I think, if you just did a video like that, it would be good. I think you could put it on and people would be very happy with your video, give you a 2 thumbs up. But today we're here to talk about improving the musicality. So what did you guys hear? I heard, well, what did you guys hear?
Well, I know I messed up on this one. I went to the wrong part.
Okay,
so that part I go to. I don't know how fast it's supposed to be. So.
Okay, so we need to establish a pulse then. Why don't we start on that second part and go dun 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 dun. 1 and 2 and ready, go. Yep. Dun, da, 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 da. And I think Miley's part, when she started doing this, she didn't get the da 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 da. There you go. So let's try it at that. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and snap a pulse and see if you can do it. 1 and 2 and ready, go. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1, 2. What did you guys hear?
I was going too slow.
Definitely off.
You were off, Miley. So, ba dum ba da 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 da. That's better. Let's try that one spot again. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. I like your staccatos, nice. Good timing. That sounds so much better. Excellent. Now make it grow louder. It's getting more exciting each time. Grow louder. You're going to the climax of the song. Ready? And here it comes. Way more exciting. That was great. You guys sound so good now. Just needed to warm up a bit. Of course, it ends there. Okay, so you're working really on just creating emotion. You want to create emotion. If you don't have the emotion, then it's flat. And so that's what music's all about, is you want to make somebody cry or get excited or be sad or whatever. You know, it's all about emotion. And you do that by crescendoing, by the staccatos, the surprises in the music. Okay.
Was I supposed to go that loud though on this part?
What's up to you? You're the artist. So, okay, that's a great question. She said, is she supposed to go that loud? And that's the beauty about music, is she is the artist. You can do whatever she wants. So whatever effect you're trying to do, it's about you and what you want to portray. So
okay.
It's all you. I think, did you think it went too loud? Or did you think
I liked it.
I liked it too.
Cool.
Yeah, sometimes you just have to experiment. Okay, so now now that we've got the musicality, next week we're going to actually do something different. We're going to record the audio and we're going to actually play it with their video performance and dub it in to have like a more professional sound. So next week we'll meet you over at recording the digital audio. We'll see you guys next week. Have fun.